Okay, I've got my JBL EON15s, J2 I think they're called or something like that. I've been looking everywhere online to try and get help with this crackling noise. I've seen some help on how to take things apart and just generally how to fix, I forgot what they're called, pentometers, volume buttons, de-equalizer buttons, whatever you call them. So I'm giving it a blast. I've unscrewed everything from the back. I'm hoping this works. Well, if you're looking at this now, it is working. Otherwise I wouldn't have put it on, I guess. So I've taken off all the screws. I think I've lost one, but I'm sure I can find a replacement. Okay, here goes nothing. So now what I'm going to do is unscrew this board with the volumes, equalizer buttons, so I'm not very technical. And then I'm going to use something like WD-40 to spray all of these where my fingers are on the inside. Somehow I have to get them off and then spray them, because apparently with the WD-40 it cleans up the connection, and it should stop the crackling and hissing noise. I can see that it's a common problem from what I've seen online. Wish me luck. Okay, I'll see you on the other side.